my channel Sweta's Beauty and Lifestyle. As we all are stuck in this lockdown and we can't go to parlor, I am here with a quick remedy facial at home. You can do it with your kitchen ingredients. You don't need anything else than that. And you can do your cleansing, scrubbing, massage and face pack with all your kitchen ingredients. So if you are interested in this facial, keep on watching. First of all, we are going to do cleansing, and for this I am going to take raw milk 2 spoon and 2 spoon honey and mix it well. You can see my face, it's so dull right now. And I'm gonna take the cleansing solution in a cotton pad and apply it all over my face and soak it again and apply it evenly in a circular motion all over my face. While applying this cleansing solution, all you have to be careful about is do not be harsh, be mild with your hands and that cotton pad. You are doing cleansing, not scrubbing, so don't be harsh with your skin. Just apply it in a circular motion and evenly. You can put a lot more on the area where you have pigments like your upper lips, on your sides and dark circles, and wait for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna take a hot towel. This is a warm towel, and keep it over my face for 10 minutes. After this we are gonna do scrubbing. For this I'm taking sugar 1 spoon and rice powder 1 spoon, and then mix it. Then mix it with half cut tomato puree and mix it well. Then I am going to apply that half cut tomato and dip into that puree solution, and I'm gonna massage it all over my face. I'm starting with my upper parts like forehead, and then I will come in the lower areas. While applying, be mild, don't be harsh with it because it has sugar and sugar have granules. It can cut your skin, it can cut your pores, and you can't even see it, but it can create a difference in your skin. So be careful while doing it, be very light while doing it, and apply it more on the areas where you have problems like your blackheads, your pigmentation, the areas where it's dark, it's tanned. You can apply it more over there. As my forehead is tanned, I am putting it a lot on my forehead, my dark circles, and while applying it on dark circle, you have to be very mild with it. You don't wanna cause harm to your skin, you just want to have a glow. So I am applying it in a really mild and light texture. While applying in face, don't forget to apply it all over your neck. And then again, I will not wash this, I will take that hot mop only and clean it all with that hot mop. Remember, after scrubbing, you always have to clean it with a hot mop or hot water. Do not use cold water after scrubbing. It can give you an instant glow on your face. As you can see, I have that glow on my face already. And after this, with removing the scrub with this hot towel, I'm gonna take the massage solution, and for this I'm going to take aloe vera juice which I made it at home, and then a half cut lemon in it and some honey. You can put just half tablespoon so that it will glide on your skin, and as you know, honey have anti wrinkle properties, so it's just so good for your skin. I'm applying this solution all over my face with this flat brush. As you all know, aloe vera is good for skin. Nobody is unknown about the benefits of aloe vera, and so does its lemon. It lighten up your skin, it gives you that glow from within, and honey has its anti-wrinkle properties. So this mixture is gonna give you a radiant glow on your face. After applying it all over my face, I will massage in a circular motion and in an upward motion all over my face. While applying, be gentle with your face. Don't be rough, don't be harsh. Your skin is like cotton, you just can't be so harsh with it. Be very gentle around your eyes and be very gentle around all over your face, not only eyes, but you have to be very careful under your eyes. Do this massage for minimum of 10 minutes so that it will give that glow to your face, and the solution will sink in your face, and let it work for 10 minutes. All the ingredients we use in this solution are so beneficial for our skin, and as a mixture of this create a gliding effect, so your finger will automatically glide on your face, so you won't need any massage cream or anything. With this you can massage for 10 minutes, and after that I'm going to take the face pack solution. For this I'm going to take 1 tablespoon turmeric, and then 2 tablespoons of papaya plum, and then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of rice powder and 2 drop of lemon in it. And as you can see, my face, I washed my face after that massage cream, and I'm going to apply this face pack with a brush all over my face. While applying it, you have to mix the solution really well so that it won't be clumsy. And as you all know, papaya plum is so beneficial for skin. It will give you that lightening effect, tightening effect, anti-wrinkle properties, and it will reduce your dark spots, and it works as a vitamin C serum. It is a source of vitamin C, so it will give that properties of vitamin C serum to your skin, and so is lemon. And rice water also helps you to get that glowy skin. It helps in lightening your skin. So this is a really good face pack. You can apply this face pack only also, and you can include it in this facial also. This is a really beneficial face pack. After applying it all over my face, and I'm doing it with a massage so that it will sink in my face too. After applying it, what we will do is clean our face with cold water, and make sure the water is a little bit in a colder side. And while applying any of the face pack, do not forget your neck. As you can see, a lot of people have different face color and different neck color. We don't want to look that cartoon, so we're gonna apply it all over my face and all over my neck. And if you are not satisfied with the one layer, you can top up the layer of this face mask by again putting it on your face and wait for 15 minutes. Then this is the final result. At first you could see my dull and dark skin, and now it's so much better with the facial. You can try it at your home, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe.